Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking. In this series, we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs as they demonstrate how to prepare some of their favorite dishes. And now, here is today's host.
Hi there, welcome to Creative Cooking. We're on location again, and today we're at the Four Seasons Hotel where Jamaican cuisine has been successfully fused with European flair. Today's dish introduces a summer salad as an easy light meal idea for the entire family. Our special guest is Chef Fitzgerald Malcolm. Welcome, Chef Malcolm, to Creative Cooking.
Thank you for having me.
Now, you have been a chef for a number of years, but before you got to this stage, tell us about your educational background.
Okay, well, I graduated from Kingston High. That's off upper part of King Street. And I went to CAS for 2.5 years. Then also I went away to join Johnson & Wales University.
Excellent. Have you catered for any special events, whether here or abroad?
In '94, I catered for Bishop T. Jakes in Florida. There was 350 people. And then the following year, he gave me another try, and it was 1,005 people.
Excellent. That's commendable. You know, you have budding chefs and persons who will see you and want to be like you.
Yeah.
Any parting words?
Oh yeah, sure. I encourage all young person who want to go into food and catering. It's a very well-paid job. It's actually take you away from your family, but you know, it's worth the time, and they should read a lot of books. Never giving up, because there's thousands and thousands of recipes out there, so they can read a lot of cookbooks that is on the market. That will be also helpful.
Great. Thank you, Chef.
Today I'm preparing for you a chicken Caesar salad. It's a very healthy one light lunch meal. First of all, we use half cup of Grace mayonnaise. As you can see in the bowl, we have half cup of Grace mayonnaise. So we start by adding 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. We're going to have also 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So we're going to use also 2 tablespoons of Grace vinegar, 2 ounces of Parmesan cheese, a pinch of Worcester sauce, and also we're using anchovy fillet. It's a flat flavored salty fish. You want to be careful because Parmesan cheese also very salty, so you want to be careful with the fish as well, because the anchovies also contains a lot of salt. So we're just going to toss all of that into the base, and we're just going to whisk all of these ingredients together. Okay, now I have here this classic to use romaine lettuce for your Caesar dressing. We already washed and prepared these romaine lettuce for you. So I'm just going to add my romaine lettuce over here. I'm going to use 2 larger spoons to toss my Caesar salad. So you just toss the dressing onto the romaine lettuce, gentle. Here we go, voila. And 4 ounces of chicken breast is just perfect for a complete meal. For my garnish, I'm just using cherry tomatoes right there in the center, and a sprig of parsley. So we just add a few croutons, and this dish can also be served with garlic bread. Here is your finished product, chicken Caesar salad.
Hi, Chef. I see you have prepared a salad just for me.
Thank you.
I mean, this looks so good. I can just imagine the wonders you make at preparing other salads for your guests here at Four Seasons.
Right. We do. Salads is one of our main things because they're very healthy, and it's also start of the meal.
I must thank you for sharing this idea with Jamaica. We'll be talking with you a little later about your croutons that you have used to complement the salad. From the mailbox today is all about how to dress up your salads and your soups. And one of the easiest ways to do this is with croutons. Chef, it's your expertise. Over to you. Let's talk about croutons. What are they?
Croutons are made from leftover breads. So if you have a couple of ends from the bread, don't need to throw them out. You could use them, toast them. You could also fry them in olive oil. We have here, which is a very healthy crouton, because it's made from parsley and garlic, oregano and basil.
And you could use just about any herb.
Any herbs. You could also use fresh thyme as well. And it's very healthy because of the herbs and the garlic. And also just to let you know, for your croutons, you should use, it's recommended best to use olive oil. 100% virgin olive oil to fry them. This is just plain garlic croutons, which is go well with your Caesar salad. Can go as well with any other salad. And this is just plain croutons. There's no flavor added to this one.
And over here?
We have here garlic bread, which make from your French bread and make up garlic butter.
You have prepared for us 4 salads. Let's talk about them and what croutons you would use. First, we start with this one.
Okay, today we made some creamy coleslaw. And the coleslaw is your cabbage, which you shred it and put in salt water and squeeze it out, and add mayonnaise and carrots. Also, I garnish here with some raisins. For this one, you could use your plain croutons, a few croutons just to drizzle over your coleslaw, and that gives you a finished product.
Okay, the other one, what type of salad
we
is
have
that?
A calypso salad here, which goes well for the kids because it's grapes. We have papaya and watermelon.
Is that plantain?
And we use plantain chips as well, just for garnish, because kids like chips, so they will enjoy this one. For this salad, you could also use some of your herb croutons to garnish your salad. You just toss a few over, and here we go. We have an arranged salad which has red cabbage, cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce, and also celery. This could go very well with your olive oil and your vinaigrette, with a few of the garlic croutons as well.
And the last salad?
We have a tossed salad, which is comprised of your cabbage, your shredded carrot, lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions. So some herb croutons
would go just fine.
Go very well. And of course your olive oil and vinegar for dressing.
Your dressing. What about soups? Dressing up your soups?
Oh yeah, croutons goes very well with dressing soups. Example, cream of tomato soup, you could use that as well. Chowders, clam chowders.
Red peas.
Red peas.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin soup. You can drizzle a few of that on top for garnishes as well. Croutons can be stored outdoor because it's a dry product. It's made from bread, and bread is a dry good. So just like how we have the bread on the shelf in the supermarket, you could make your croutons, put them in a bottle, or just zip that bag, and you can keep them outside.
Great. Thank you for sharing with us, and we look forward to having you on the program once again.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. That's it for today from the mailbox. Do send us your questions, and remember, if you have a recipe you'd like to share with us, send it in. Till next time, thanks for watching.
This is Chef Season on Creative Cooking, and we hope you enjoyed today's show. Join us every Monday morning at 7:35 as we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs, demonstrating some of their favorite dishes here on Smile Jamaica, It's Morning Time. Chef Season continues next Monday morning on Creative Cooking, 7:35 on TVJ, and with a repeat at 2:50 p.m. every Sunday afternoon. Don't miss it.